Happy Wednesday, everybody. Tiffany with Team Red, Keller Williams coming at you inside because the weather's terrible outside. I'm out at our newest listing, just came on the market today. It's in this beautiful 55 and over community in Issaquah. It's located in Providence Point's Garden Village, and the address is 3643 224th Place Southeast, Unit 2328. Again, I'm in Issaquah. Let's show you inside. So right as we come on in is your main entryway. This is a 2-bed, 1.75, just a little shy under 1,300 square foot, technically condo. It's laid out like a house. Here is your front entry closet. And leads right off into your beautiful, updated, open space kitchen. All of the appliances stay. You will see the house got newly done floors as well. So coming from the kitchen, around the right-hand corner is our nice large living room. Beautiful windows. Nice fireplace, especially on a day like today to keep you nice and warm. Boy, does it feel like fall for sure. Then here we have our first full bath, also recently updated. Then you've got your enclosed laundry situation with cabinets for storage. Here is the first out of the 2 bedrooms. This you could use as an office space, a guest bedroom. Love the built-ins right here. And then here's our master. Another gorgeous large window to let in the sunlight on those more beautiful summer days. Don't know how many more of those we're gonna have. Tons of closet space. You guys, just wait till you see this bathroom. It was also recently updated. Gorgeous, very similar to the first bathroom. There's definitely beautiful. So there you have it. Again, I'm out at our new listing at 3643 224th Place Southeast, number 2328 in Issaquah, Washington. Again, remember though, this is a 55 and over community. Won't work for quite all buyers. Having questions, want a private showing, contact me, Tiffany, at 253-632-0886. Everybody have a fabulous weekend. Bye.